we purchase the feeder, we need to make food for the hummingbirds.
We have to make the food? That's why I stick to feeding pigeons in the park. I just throw them the crust off my sandwich.
Feeding hummingbirds is easy. The directions are right here in the magazine. I'll do the reading and you do the cooking.
Cooking? I'm not much of a cook. I can make popcorn. I take it out of the box, put it in the microwave, pop it, put it in a bowl, but that's about it.
Don't worry, the directions are right here. Now, put on your apron.
Hold that thought. Will Sam's grandmother ever get her feeder? Will Josh's culinary skills leave the hummingbird hungry? Be sure to watch Bird Buffet and Ready for Takeoff. Then join the Knowledge Seekers as they conclude their migration through sequence text structure in this episode of Thinking Aloud.
Listen to this. Feeding hummingbirds. Feeding hummingbirds is an entertaining, educational, and inexpensive hobby. These flying jewels burn an incredible number of calories because of their high-energy lifestyle. Your feeder may be exactly the pit stop they need. Here are some easy steps that will help you get started. First, find out if there are hummingbirds in your area. A birding field guide or the local chapter of the National Audubon Society will give you the information you need. Next, make a simple hummingbird feeder. There are several plans available on the internet with minimal supplies needed. Remember that hummingbirds are attracted to the color red. A red ribbon will catch the eye of your new visitors. There are also many commercial hummingbird feeders available for purchase. When your feeder is ready, you can add the hummingbird's food source. It's easy to adjust this recipe to make any size batch you want. Authors use sequence text structure when they want to put events in order. Here the author used both numbers and signal words so that we can understand the steps needed to feed hummingbirds. We should draw a sequence chart to record the actions. First, we determine if hummingbirds are in my area. Second, we make or buy a hummingbird feeder. Third, we add hummingbird food.
Okay, but we still need to make the food.
That is what the recipe is for. Sugar water recipe. Mix 1 cup water to every 1/4 cup table sugar in a pan. Bring to a boil. Boil just until sugar is dissolved. Cover and cool in the refrigerator. Pour sugar water into your feeder. Note, do not use honey, brown sugar, artificial sweeteners, or add red food coloring to the mixture. It's helpful for the author to include a recipe for hummingbird food. Recipes are another example of sequence text structure. Recipes need to be made in the order they are written in order to come out right.
That's it? Mm-hmm. All hummingbirds want to eat is sugar water.
It's almost as easy as popping your popcorn.
Now I can make 2 things.
As the Knowledge Seekers fly off on their next adventure, remember to pay close attention to sequence text structure, identify signal words, and draw sequence graphic organizers while you read. And watch the next episode of Thinking Aloud.